Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Hay Day. To add friends on Hay Day, first of all, open up the Hay Day application on your device and then go ahead and tap on the social tab with the icon with two people in it at the bottom right. When the pop-up opens, go ahead and tap on the Friends book or the book available on the left corner. In the search tab, you can then go ahead and type in your friend's tag in the text box. After typing down the tag for your friend, click on search. After typing down the ID for the person, it will be listed on the page. Simply tap on add friend and you will then be able to send a friend request to that certain contact. Once they accept your request, you will be friends in the game. After adding them on your friend list, you can then simply go ahead and visit their farms, trade items, or help with their tasks. So that is how you easily add friend on Hay Day. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.